Independence Day Kamari leinana lanthokpa Gallantry Amadi Service Medal Award Phanggadaba Singi Ming laothokpada President's Medal for Distinguished Service PSMG Award Phanggadaba Personal ama yaona Manipur Dagi Award Phanggadaba Personal Traganithoi yaure Police, Fire, Home Guard, Civil Defense Amadi Correctional Service Staff President Medal for Gallantry PMC President Medal for Distinguished Service PSM Medal for Gallantry GM, Medal for Meritorious MSMK Award Phanggadaba Puna Personal Lising Amaga, Kunchaga Tarit Ki Ming Ministry of Home Affairs na laothokre. Award Phanggadaba Personal Sing Adugi Manungda Manipur Dagi President Medal for Distinguished Service PSM Award da Correctional Service ki oina Manipur Dagi Official Ama, Medal for Meritorious Service MSMK Police Service da Personal Nipan yaure. Ministry of Home Affairs ki oina ama, NDRF ki oina ama, Fire Service ki oina personal ani yaure. Correctional Service ki oina President's Medal ki Phanggadaba Manipur Dagi official adude. Additional Superintendent Badrika S. Kenny. Medal for Meritorious Service ki Police Service Award ki Ming laothokpada yauraba personal sing adude. Havildar Asok Oinam, Havildar Khangembam Bonomal, Havildar Mayangnambam Rosen, Assistant Sub Inspector Ngangom Chalamba, Sub Inspector Maibam Sormurzit, Rifleman Rinka Hau Riva, Rifleman Posangbam Premjit Amade, Rifleman Nongthongbam Bijesone, Ministry of Home Affairs Sub Medal for Meritorious Service Phanglaba Official Adude, Ministry of Home Affairs K Deputy Central Intelligence Officer Nongthongbam Surchandrane, NDRF Sub Medal for Meritorious Service Phanglaba Official Adude, NDRF K Commandant Abujam Bijoy Kumar Ne, Fire Service Ki Oina Manipur Dagi Medal for Meritorious Service Ki Ming laothokpada yauraba personal sing adude. Leading Fireman Maibam 7 San Amade, Leading Fireman Panmai Gaikhaung Mamde.